Grant Mettam, Operations Manager of British Offsite. Here at British Offsite, we manufacture for the construction industry, both in residential and commercial, a 2D panelised system. So with this project, there was a lot of interaction between MHE, machinery, robotics, and also the operators. So the need to be able to separate people away from machinery and the robotics and the forklifts was needed. Hence the reason we looked at a solution from Axelent. Axelent was perfect all along the way. We dealt with Joe, and how me and Joe worked together to find the correct solution for every area was absolutely faultless. And then down to the installation, we had a lot of changes along the way depending on what was needed to do and adapting in areas, and we worked together to get it all to come together. We will be using Axelent again on other projects, and I'd recommend it to other people as well.